You can really go down a deep rabbit hole if you read about ice ages.
I think the best evidence for it is ancient maps, which show the world as it looked during the last ice age.
Elon Musk just dropped a bombshell that could flip everything we know about our planet, and maybe even our place in the universe. He's hinting at something wild, an alien cover-up in Antarctica. Yes, you heard that right. The tech mogul behind Tesla and SpaceX has teased the idea of something extraordinary hidden beneath the icy surface of Antarctica. Could there be more to this frozen continent than we ever imagined? Musk's revelation has everyone buzzing with curiosity. Exploring Antarctica. Antarctica has always been a place of mystery and wonder. Long before it was discovered, ancient Greek philosophers believed in a vast southern land known as Terra Australis Incognita. They thought this unknown land, dominated by ice, balanced the continents in the northern hemisphere. For centuries, explorers searched the southern oceans for this land, but it remained elusive. Maps from the Middle Ages and beyond even featured vast, uncharted territories at the bottom, adding to the mystery. In the 19th century, European explorers finally ventured into the southern waters. In 1820, several expeditions, including those led by Russian explorer Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen and British naval officer Edward Bransfield, reported seeing the icy landmass we now know as Antarctica. Over the following decades, explorers like James Clark Ross and Charles Wilkes mapped parts of its icy coastline, confirming that Terra Australis was no longer a myth, but a real, formidable land. However, despite these early discoveries, much of Antarctica remained uncharted and undiscovered. The continent's harsh climate, with its freezing temperatures and thick ice fields, made exploration extremely difficult. Early expeditions were dangerous, with explorers facing severe temperatures, blizzards, and treacherous conditions. Stories like Ernest Shackleton's ill-fated endurance expedition painted Antarctica as a place where survival was uncertain, and danger lurked in every corner. In the 20th century, the interest in Antarctica shifted from exploration to science. Its isolation and unique environment made it the perfect place to study Earth's climate, geology, and biology. The discovery of the ozone hole in the 1980s, for instance, highlighted Antarctica's importance in understanding global environmental changes. The continent's ice cores hold a record of Earth's climate history, offering valuable insights into past climate patterns and future trends. Moreover, Antarctica's icy landscape is often compared to the surface of Mars, making it an ideal testing ground for technologies that could one day be used in space exploration. The discovery of microbial life in subglacial lakes has raised intriguing questions about the potential for life in extreme environments, both on Earth and on other planets. Much of Antarctica is still unexplored. Hidden beneath its ice sheet are subglacial lakes, rivers, and mountains, including the mysterious Gamburtsev Mountains. These hidden features continue to fuel scientific curiosity, making Antarctica a frontier of discovery even today. The icy frontier of secrets. Scientists view Antarctica as a frozen time capsule, offering insights into life on Earth before humans altered its natural state. However, conspiracy theorists believe this icy continent hides much more than just ancient bacteria and a secret lake. Many online claims suggest that beneath its ice, Antarctica hosts alien bases and possibly remnants of a lost human civilization. Although this vast, barren land seems desolate and uninhabited, it has captured the imagination of many for years. Despite its extreme conditions, countries have shown keen interest in Antarctica since the early 20th century. Antarctica operates under the Antarctic Treaty, established in 1959, which involves multiple nations. This treaty prevents military activities, encourages scientific collaboration, and prohibits territorial claims in the continent. Yet, even with its harsh climate, nations have invested significant resources to establish research stations on this frozen landscape. This raises a question: what could be so valuable hidden beneath the ice? Some believe that beneath miles of ice lie secrets that go beyond mere scientific curiosity. Could there be evidence of extraterrestrial life buried deep within? This notion might not be as far-fetched as it seems. Elon Musk, with his advanced knowledge of space, might have inadvertently hinted at information that governments have sought to keep hidden for years. Antarctica's unique environment provides an ideal setting for clandestine operations, or even the storage of alien technology. Its remote location makes it challenging for the average person to access, while the severe weather acts as a natural barrier against outside interference. This isolation raises the possibility that it could be concealing something monumental. While news coverage of Antarctica is rare, numerous peculiar events over the years have sparked curiosity. From unexplained signals to strange aerial sightings, Antarctica has become a focal point of speculation. Some have reported mysterious phenomena that lead to more questions than answers. Operation High Jump. Operation High Jump, officially known as the United States Navy Antarctic Developments Program, 1946-1947, was a large-scale mission to set up the Antarctic research base Little America 4. The operation, also called Task Force 68, was organized by Rear Admiral Richard E. Byrd. It began on August 26, 1946, and concluded in February 1947. Task Force 68 included 4,700 personnel, 70 ships, and 33 aircraft, making it one of the biggest Antarctic missions at that time. Recently, with Elon Musk's comments about advanced technologies, some have speculated that Operation High Jump might have encountered extraterrestrial technology in Antarctica. In recent times, strange phenomena have continued to puzzle scientists in Antarctica. In 2016, researchers detected mysterious high-energy particles beneath the ice. These particles didn't follow the known laws of physics, leaving experts confused. Their behavior suggested they might be coming from another dimension, or even another universe. This discovery raised questions about what might lie beneath Antarctica's ice. Could it be advanced technology, or something even more extraordinary? Adding to the mystery, satellite images of Antarctica have shown strange shapes buried under the ice. One of the most famous discoveries is a pyramid-shaped structure spotted on Google Earth. While many skeptics argue that it's a natural formation, others believe it could be proof of an ancient civilization, or even an alien base. Mysteries beneath the ice. Elon Musk has long envisioned making humanity a multiplanetary species, and his interest in Antarctica plays a crucial role in this mission. Musk believes that studying extreme environments like Antarctica is key to understanding how life could exist on other planets and moons. Antarctica serves as a natural laboratory where scientists can test technologies that might one day support human life on Mars or other distant worlds. But Musk's fascination with Antarctica is not only because of space. He is also deeply concerned about the future of Earth. As a strong advocate for climate change action, Musk recognizes that Antarctica's ice sheets are vital to understanding the planet's environmental future. If these ice sheets were to melt entirely, global sea levels could rise by over 200 feet, which would devastate coastal cities and communities worldwide. Although a complete meltdown is unlikely anytime soon, even partial melting could cause severe damage. This places Antarctica at the forefront of global climate concerns, making it a critical area for study and attention. However, Musk's involvement with Antarctica has recently taken a more mysterious turn. In interviews and tweets, he has hinted that there are things happening in Antarctica that remain hidden from the public. Musk has alluded to ancient civilizations and unexplained technological anomalies that defy mainstream scientific understanding. During an interview where he was asked about UFOs and extraterrestrial life, Musk offered a cryptic response, saying, "The real mysteries are in the ice." This comment fueled widespread speculation among his followers, sparking theories that link his space exploration goals to secretive activities in Antarctica. Given Musk's access to advanced technology and his extensive satellite network through SpaceX, it's not hard to imagine that he might have access to information that most people don't. SpaceX has launched numerous satellites into orbit, some of which could have gathered data from remote regions like Antarctica. This has led to speculation that Musk may be aware of things beneath the ice that remain hidden from public knowledge. The most popular theories suggest that an alien base is hidden deep beneath Antarctica's ice sheets. According to some conspiracy theorists, extraterrestrial visitors arrived on Earth thousands of years ago and established a base in this isolated location. Some believe that governments have known about this for decades, but have kept it secret to avoid widespread panic. Others speculate that advanced alien technology may have been discovered in Antarctica, left behind by these visitors, and that private companies like SpaceX are secretly studying it. Why would this information be kept secret? Some believe that revealing alien technology could destabilize global economies and disrupt existing power structures. For example, if alien technology were proven to exist, it could revolutionize industries like energy, defense, and transportation. The oil industry, in particular, could be devastated, as alternative technologies could make fossil fuels obsolete. Governments may also fear the public's reaction, as evidence of extraterrestrial life could trigger mass panic, religious upheaval, or even societal collapse. Elon Musk's cryptic comments and involvement in both space exploration and Antarctica have fueled a wave of speculation. Lost civilizations or alien mysteries? One of the greatest mysteries surrounding Antarctica is the theory that it once housed an advanced civilization, buried beneath the ice for millennia. Some researchers believe that long before the continent became the frozen desert we know today, it was a lush, temperate region, home to a highly developed society. This mysterious civilization, they say, may have possessed knowledge and technology far beyond what we understand today. The existence of ancient maps, like the Piri Reis map from 1513, adds to this mystery. This map appears to show the coastline of Antarctica free from ice, raising questions about how ancient civilizations could have known about the continent's geography. While skeptics dismiss the map's accuracy, those intrigued by the mystery see it as evidence of a forgotten time when Antarctica was not the icy wasteland we know, but a thriving land. This theory opens up a range of questions. Could this lost civilization have been Atlantis, the fabled city described by the philosopher Plato? According to some theorists, Atlantis may have been located in Antarctica and was destroyed by a cataclysmic event, such as a massive flood or a polar shift that buried it under the ice. The thought that a city of such advanced knowledge and technology might still be hidden beneath the Antarctic ice sparks the imagination. But this isn't the only mystery Antarctica holds. Some believe that extraterrestrial beings may be involved. Satellite images showing strange formations in the ice have led to wild speculation that UFOs may have crashed on the continent or that hidden alien cities lie below the ice. Despite these rumors, no concrete evidence has surfaced, but the idea continues to capture the public's attention. Another fascinating theory ties in with the events of World War II. After the war, it is claimed that Nazi forces fled to Antarctica, where they had already established a secret base. According to this theory, they were in contact with extraterrestrial beings and were developing advanced weapons and spacecraft using alien technology. These theories suggest a hidden world of advanced tech and extraterrestrial activity beneath the ice. More recently, the presence of various military forces in Antarctica has raised eyebrows. Countries like the United States, Russia, and China have expanded their activities on the continent, officially for scientific research. However, conspiracy theorists believe that these nations are secretly vying for control of alien technology buried deep under the ice, possibly testing advanced weapons in hidden military bases, alien rocks from Antarctica's past. One reason why conspiracy theorists are convinced that the Antarctic continent was home to extraterrestrials at some point in history is the discovery of rocks from other planets. Over 50,000 meteorites have been collected by several international research teams working in Antarctica. Perhaps the most famous was ALH 84001, discovered in 1984. Some experts thought that the formations within the rock from Mars suggested the fossilization of a primitive life form. Others believed that the granite had become polluted on Earth. One of the good side effects was increased global interest in astrobiology. The potato-sized rock had remained undisturbed on the ridge's surface for millennia, until it was found by Roberta Score, a member of the Antarctic Search for Meteorites, ANSMET, on December 27, 1984. 9 years later, a team of NASA scientists found the rock was of Martian origin, indicating that it came from the planet's formative phase, when water existed on its surface some 4 billion years ago. In the early 1990s, geologist David McKay and his team of scientists at Johnson began investigating the meteorite's chemical components in the hopes of revealing what was going on the red planet 4 billion years ago. The scientists discovered carbonate minerals and strange worm-like microstructures within the rock. They reasoned the worms could be fossilized nanobacteria, evidence of alien life. Days before McKay's team published its work in the journal Science, U.S. President Bill Clinton talked to the media on the South Lawn at the White House, revealing this world-changing hypothesis. "If this discovery is confirmed," Clinton said, "it will surely be one of the most stunning insights into our universe that science has ever uncovered." Teams from Europe, Japan, and the United States undertake frequent visits to Antarctica to conduct systematic searches for meteorites. The pebbles they discover are routinely frozen and returned to laboratories for hours of meticulous study. In early 2013, the Samba team found an 18-kilogram meteorite, the largest found in East Antarctica in the past 25 years. Expeditions have been conducted by the American-led ANSMET program since 1976. The specimens they uncover are delivered to NASA's Johnson Space Center for scientific study. The majority of meteorites discovered are typical chondrites, yet even this relatively common type of rock can provide useful scientific information. The international scientific community can request bits from various meteorites for their own studies. Each meteorite collected in Antarctica is registered, and the place of finding is marked with GPS coordinates. Although hundreds of meteorites are retrieved on ice sheets each year, the scientific community wants to see more specimens to complete the picture of how the solar system evolved and developed. UFO sightings. Back in 2015, investigative journalist Linda Howe revealed that she received an email from an unknown man who asked her to call him Brian for the public. This man claimed that he was a part of the Antarctic Squadron expedition missions between 1983 and 1977, when he retired from the U.S. Navy. They rescued stranded people and flew civilians and military personnel in and out of the continent. While the majority of their trip was pretty uneventful, suddenly things changed and weird stuff began happening. During one of the squadron missions in the Transantarctic Mountains, the crew noticed a bunch of silver darting objects over the icy peaks. Brian claimed that these were perfectly round and moving in a strange manner, going over from one peak to the other in a group, and then they took off. Surprisingly, this wasn't a one-time sighting. According to Brian, it kept happening again and again. And this was just one of the many oddities happening at the time. Soon after these encounters with unidentified flying objects, a medical emergency forced them to fly over the no-fly zone. During this flight, they came across an even scarier sight. In the ice, they noticed a massive entrance to what seemed like a cave, but was slanted going down. They thought it was at least 200 meters in diameter, and while flying over it, their instruments stopped functioning out of the blue. They were losing electricity and facing magnetic anomalies, which they thought was because of the hole. After their medical recovery, they found themselves being investigated by men in suits who were not from McMurdo. It was quite evident that these guys were from Washington, D.C., and instructed the crew to never fly over that hole again, or to talk about it and share its existence with others. While there is no solid proof to support Brian's claim, Linda believes this might be one of the puzzle pieces in the bigger picture. She thinks that Brian might be telling the truth, especially now when more and more evidence of alien presence in Antarctica is coming to light. Strangely, this wasn't the first time a massive hole in the ice had been spotted. Famous explorer Admiral Richard Byrd had also allegedly reported seeing a huge entrance to an underground world during his 1947 expedition. Byrd revealed that the hole went deep into the earth and was devoid of ice. Inside, he saw that it was inhabited by all sorts of aliens. After returning to the U.S., he was rigorously questioned about this claim, and the authorities forbade him from talking about it. In recent news, another possible UFO sighting happened back in 2012. A video shot from the Antarctic research station Neumayer Station 3 purports to reveal what some term a UFO over the South Pole. On August 10th, a video released to YouTube appeared to show a circular, fuzzy object floating above the station. Speculation went wild, with conspiracy theorists and UFO enthusiasts exchanging theories ranging from government collaboration with aliens to a top-secret test of some new, cutting-edge, secret weapon. While no definite explanation has been discovered, multiple factors pointed to a practical solution. The alleged UFO appeared more or less immediately overhead the research station. It also appeared to be nearly perfectly circular and roughly the size of a balloon. One UFO buff admitted that most of the evidence suggested it was indeed a balloon, except for one mysterious fact. None could explain why the object appeared in just a few frames. If it were a balloon that had been put aloft for hours, it would have been visible for a longer duration than seen in the video. On the other hand, not all experiments using balloons necessarily last for hours. Some may only take a few minutes. It's also possible that someone at the station was merely conducting a routine equipment test in preparation for an upcoming experiment or sampling. The balloon went up, and everything worked perfectly, so it came back. Exciting. Search for alien technology. With claims of UFO sightings and massive holes leading to alien settlements, the governments of many countries have developed the urge to get their hands on the technology these extraterrestrial beings might possess. In recent discussions, the idea of finding advanced alien technology hidden beneath the ice in Antarctica has gained significant attention. This discovery could revolutionize the space industry and help Elon Musk achieve his dream of colonizing other planets. Many wonder why Musk has shown such a keen interest in Antarctica, often hinting at hidden secrets waiting to be uncovered. If credible evidence of extraterrestrial life or advanced technology were found in Antarctica, it would profoundly change our understanding of Earth, our history, and our place in the universe. One of the most immediate effects of such a discovery would be a major shift in scientific research. Scientists would rush to study alien technology to unlock its potential. This could lead to incredible breakthroughs in energy, transportation, and medicine. For instance, if the technology behind UFOs were understood, it could change space travel forever, allowing us to explore distant galaxies that we have never reached before. The implications of this would extend to numerous fields, possibly revolutionizing how we approach energy solutions and medical advancements. Moreover, discovering extraterrestrial life would have significant implications for religion and philosophy. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, wondering whether we are alone in the universe. Confirming alien life would challenge our understanding of intelligence, existence, and what it means to be human. It would force us to reconsider our beliefs and reevaluate our role in the cosmos, fostering discussions that could reshape societal values. The political and economic effects would also be immense. Governments and corporations would likely compete for control of this new technology, igniting a new space race. Countries with access to alien technology could gain substantial geopolitical power, while those left behind might face economic decline. However, this knowledge might also unite humanity. Understanding that we are not alone could encourage cooperation among nations as we prepare for possible contact with extraterrestrial beings. Another major concern regarding the disclosure of alien life or technology is public reaction. Would people respond with excitement and curiosity, or would fear take over? History shows that shocking news can lead to unpredictable reactions. For example, when Orson Welles aired War of the Worlds in 1938, many listeners panicked, believing the fictional alien invasion was real. If proof of alien life were announced today, some might fear that the aliens pose a threat, leading to widespread chaos. Others might worry about how this discovery could disrupt their beliefs or way of life. To prevent panic, governments and media organizations would need to manage the announcement carefully. Providing accurate information and reassuring the public would be vital. Scientists, like explorers seeking hidden treasures, have long been fascinated by the mysteries beneath the ocean. This curiosity has led to the discovery of new species and a greater understanding of our planet. Recently, a team of marine scientists from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, embarked on the Seascape Alaska expedition. Their mission focused on exploring uncharted deep-water habitats in the Gulf of Alaska. Their groundbreaking efforts have led to incredible findings, raising excitement and concern within the scientific community. A new era in human exploration. Elon Musk suggests that extraterrestrial beings may have influenced human technology. If true, their advanced technology could give humanity a significant boost in space exploration. We might be close to achieving things like faster-than-light travel if we can uncover the secrets buried under Antarctica's ice. This discovery could transform our understanding of space propulsion, energy generation, and communication. The changes could reshape human civilization within decades instead of centuries. However, a major challenge lies in how society would handle such a revelation. For centuries, humans have wondered about their place in the universe. Religious, philosophical, and scientific perspectives have shaped this inquiry. Musk's claims could answer the age-old question, are we alone? This newfound knowledge might lead to existential crises across various cultures and belief systems. Many religions that view humanity as central to creation would need to rethink their teachings in light of extraterrestrial life. Some might reinterpret sacred texts to suggest that interactions with aliens were always part of a divine plan, while others could struggle with the idea that humanity is not unique. Philosophically, this discovery could challenge long-held beliefs about life and consciousness. Learning about another intelligent species may require us to expand our definitions of intelligence and consciousness beyond just the human experience. Additionally, Musk's revelations might shift how we view our planet. For years, Antarctica has symbolized the unknown, with its vast, icy wilderness explored only minimally. The idea that alien life might exist there adds intrigue to the continent, changing it from a purely scientific interest to a potential site for extraterrestrial encounters. The existence of aliens in Antarctica would also challenge the idea of Earth as a closed biological system. Scientists have long believed that all life on Earth evolved from a common ancestor. Finding aliens would introduce the possibility of an entirely separate lineage of life that did not originate on our planet. This revelation could lead us to rethink the history of human exploration. Some theories suggest that early human encounters with extraterrestrial beings may explain many mysteries of ancient civilizations, such as the pyramids of Egypt and the Nazca lines in Peru. These unexplained feats of engineering and mysterious artifacts have sparked speculation for centuries. If aliens have been part of Earth's history, as Musk implies, it raises the exciting idea that they may have influenced the development of human civilization. While the historical implications are significant, the political ramifications of Musk's claims are equally profound. Could Antarctica harbor extraterrestrial life? Antarctica has long been the center of political attention owing to the treasure of natural resources it harbors. However, if alien life or technology exists under the ice, the peaceful exploration of this region could change dramatically. The potential value of alien discoveries might tempt nations to pursue their interests over collaborative efforts. Once viewed purely as a scientific haven, Antarctica could become a hotbed of geopolitical rivalry. Countries like the United States, Russia, and China, already in a race for dominance in space, would likely prioritize access to any extraterrestrial secrets hidden in the ice. This shift could lead to intense competition, reminiscent of the Cold War era, with Antarctica at the center. The question of who owns alien technology is complex, as current agreements do not address situations involving extraterrestrial contact. Without new international rules, the competition for control over Antarctica could escalate into serious conflict. Conversely, discovering alien life could encourage nations to work together. While technological competition might be fierce, the potential benefits of alien discoveries could push countries and private companies to unite for the greater good. The role of private companies, particularly those like Elon Musk's SpaceX, brings additional ethical questions. Traditionally, space exploration has been the responsibility of national governments, with organizations like NASA leading the way. Yet, private companies are playing a bigger role in this field. If extraterrestrial technology is discovered, these companies may heavily engage in research and exploitation. This involvement raises important concerns. Should private companies profit from discoveries meant for all of humanity? There is a risk that the commercialization of alien technology could lead to inequality, where the wealthiest entities benefit while others are left behind. To avoid this, clear ethical guidelines for the use and distribution of alien technology are crucial. These ethical issues also apply to any alien life forms discovered. How humanity interacts with these beings, whether they are sentient or not, could set important precedents for our future relationships with other species. Should we see them as resources to exploit, or should we acknowledge their inherent value? This situation might lead to a new field of ethics, focusing on the rights and responsibilities of interacting with different forms of intelligence. Environmental considerations are equally important. Antarctica is one of Earth's last untouched ecosystems, and large-scale exploration could endanger its fragile environment. Introducing alien organisms could threaten native species and the planet's biosphere. Therefore, any exploration must be done carefully, respecting the environment. The possibility of alien life in such a harsh location challenges our understanding of where life can exist. Our definitions of life are mostly based on Earth's conditions. If claims about extraterrestrial beings in Antarctica are accurate, they could change how we think about habitability. Discoveries of extremophiles, organisms thriving in extreme conditions, have already expanded our understanding of life's resilience. Finding extraterrestrial life in Antarctica could uncover new biological possibilities and shift how we search for life beyond Earth. If these beings did not evolve on our planet, their presence might support the idea of panspermia, suggesting that life could spread between planets and stars, revealing a more interconnected universe than we ever imagined. We hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.